Hey everyone, I'm Des, owner of Promo Jones, a video content bureau specializing in promoting the vision of visionaries through video content creation. This is a transition I saw on TikTok and thought it was something I should try, and today I'm going to show you how to do it too. The song that you use in this is Touch It, the TikTok remix, or you can check Wisdom K's page, he also has it as well. Step 1. Record yourself for a few seconds in your before look. Most videos you'll see people dress very casual before the transition. Make sure you set your length to 15 seconds instead of 60 seconds. It's a very quick TikTok. Use a timer to record up to around 6 seconds. Step 2. After you record the beginning, save the video to your draft and record each look separately on your phone. Step 3. Go back to your drafts and go to your effects page where you press the green screen video effect. Step 4. Upload each of the videos that you recorded on your phone to TikTok to the beat of the song based on the length that you chose. After you recorded the video, it's time to adjust each section so that it flows. If this helped you in any way, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to learn more TikTok transitions. If you're not really sure how to use TikTok, then check out my TikTok crash course. This quick course will explain all the features and the different marketing tactics that can help you build an audience, build a community, all while having fun. Hope this helps. Hi, my name is Desiree Jones, but I also go by Des. I'm a recent grad, entrepreneur, and I'm unapologetically creative. So far, I've finished high school, graduated from college, and currently exploring the ups and downs of entrepreneurship. I graduated from HBCU Hampton University with my degree in marketing. I started my company, Promo Jones, in college, and since then I've traveled all over the country creating video content and social media marketing for small businesses. I believe creativity starts with who you are. If you know who you are, then you're one step closer to achieving your dreams. Self-love starts with understanding and accepting who you are, while also working towards becoming a better you every day. The world of business is full of surprises, but I ultimately believe starting a business comes down to building relationships, having stamina, and being a lifelong learner. One of my favorite quotes is by Robert Frost that says, "Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." I'm here to show you how my trail is being made from the very beginning. This is my journey. This is my story. This is the Book of Des.